There's often only a few seconds to convey your point before somebody loses their attention. I wanted my team to be able to really make powerful points in those few seconds. We present to groups of hundreds of people, so you have to pitch it just right. We chose London Speech Workshop because they were able to tailor the course in a way that it sounded like it would meet all of the needs of all the different people. It was really enjoyable. It was a team-building experience. Immediately after the course ended, we had a very large conference. It gave many of the people on my team the confidence to lead sessions and to do demonstrations, and we had a lot of feedback that it had made a really big impact. Having somebody stand up there confidently, be able to present exactly what they wanted to say very clearly, really makes a big difference to how seriously people take what you're saying.